At Hella Distribution GmbH, we handle the logistics, storage, and shipping activities within the Hella Group for the original equipment and aftermarket sector. From our location here in Ereter, more than 2,000 parcels are dispatched every day to customers all around the world. We use our LR35 for the consolidation of individual shipping packages, which we then compile onto customer-specific pallets. Before the LR35, we had 6 different shipping lanes, each with 7 pallets on them. The sorter operator had to move the cartons from the sorter to the individual customer pallets. We pick in 5 different carton sizes. One of the challenges was to develop our LR35 originally made for KLTs to handle shipping packages, which come in a wide range of dimensions. For this purpose, we introduced trays. With a sorter height of over 6 meters, we reduced our storage area footprint by 80% compared to the previous manual handling storage area. In addition, we are no longer limited in terms of capacity with the LR35. For us, as employees, the LR35 makes handling easier, relieving a lot of back strain. And it is a relief the system sorts items for us, so we don't have to classify them in advance.